I'm Seema. The given passage is about loneliness and different aspects related to that. Our question is, all the following statements about loneliness are true except. Have a look here at this paragraph. Feminists were the latest group to be thwarted by it. Simone de Beauvoir's idea that work would be a protection, a better one than the family, proved mistaken. Even she, who claimed I'm sufficient to myself, found she needed someone who could make me please myself. Even she was made stupid by falling in love. Even she felt lonely when Sartre, in his last years, was no longer himself. All movements for freedom come to a halt at the wall of loneliness. Now, our question is, all the following statements about loneliness are true except. So we just saw that option number 3, loneliness helps one to become detached and thereby leads towards true freedom, is negated by the above paragraph. Hence, this statement is not true and hence the option is correct. Our answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The passage given to us talks about loneliness and the different aspects associated with that. The question given to us is, which of Simone de Beauvoir's premises has been disproved by loneliness? Have a look at these lines. Simone de Beauvoir's idea that work would be a protection, a better one than the family, proved mistaken. She claimed, I'm sufficient to myself, and found she needed someone who could make me pleased with myself. Even she was made stupid by falling in love. We just saw that option number 1, she could find happiness through work and she needed nothing more, and emotionally she was self-sufficient. Agree with the paragraph we just saw. Hence, option number 4, depicting both 1 and 2, is the correct choice. Answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The passage given to us talks about the fear of loneliness and different aspects related to that. The question given to us is, which of the following statements are neither expressed nor implied in the passage? Now for the solutions. Option number 1, being religious does not drive away loneliness, finds its mention here. Even when all humanity was religious, there were sufferers from loneliness. So being religious does not drive away loneliness is true, meaning it has been expressed in the passage. Now option number 2, loneliness seems to affect women more than men, has been mentioned here. 59% of those who say they feel lonely are women and 41% men. Option number 4, 1/4 of Americans claim that they are chronically lonely, has been mentioned right here. 1/4 of Americans classify themselves as chronically lonely. Option number 5, the French are more lonely than the Americans, who are in turn more lonely than the Indians, who are in turn more lonely than the religious-minded. The chain in option number 5 has been mentioned here in this paragraph. So this way, option number 3, men are more prone to hiding the fact of loneliness than are women, is the statement that is neither expressed nor implied in the passage. Hence, it is our correct choice. Answer to this question is option number 3. Hope you understood the explanation. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The given passage talks about the fear of loneliness and different aspects related to that. Now come to the question. The hermits, in their search of immunity from loneliness, have done all of the following except. Have a look here. Some subjected themselves to painful mortifications, almost starving or tying themselves up with heavy chains or living in graves. Whereas option number 3 is suggesting that they subjected themselves as well as others to mortification, which is incorrect according to the passage. Hence, this option is our correct choice. Answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The following passage talks about the fear of loneliness and the different aspects related to that. The given question is, why is it that people initially were not aware that loneliness existed? None of the given options is mentioned as the reason in the passage for the people being not aware that loneliness existed. Hence, option number 5 depicting none of the above stands correct. Answer to this question is option number 5. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.